in the midst of it.
Stars and Stripes intern rocket. And then the engine is burned out and the rocket is now coasting to an altitude of 5,000 feet.
Flying down a little. And it is competitive. There's something there. There's a spark. To his left, and snap around one side. Oh, there he is, upside down again. Now he's right side up, upside down. Here he comes right now.
Yeah, take that first left and then keep going straight back. Hey, Amber, text Bill or Renee. Yeah, that's fine.
Automatic pilot's version of the burnout. They've been flying both together and alone, but these airplanes have quite a number of years. Both members of the COA. This is Doug. That's Doug Jackson, as a matter of fact. Doug has been around for many years in this replica Zero. It actually is combat and military service.
On behalf of the Commemorative Air Force, this is Erin, and I really want to thank you all on behalf because we are certainly pleased to be here and so happy that you had us out to the Rocky Mountain Airshow. We hope to come back soon and maybe even see you guys next year out in Illinois. Thank you again, and contact us if you have any questions just about the aircraft in general, about becoming a Commemorative Air Force member, or taking a ride in one of our aircraft.
Thank you, Erin. By the way, folks, I want to tell you something. We are pretty much done with the show here, but remember...